Hi everyone. See, in last video we have seen variable separable type, right? See, in this variable separable type, what we do, we simply separate the variables and we take the integration. It is quite easy, okay, to solve the problems. So let us discuss the second type, which is homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so before that we will see what is homogeneous function and then we will go for homogeneous differential equation. See, a function f of xy is said to be homogeneous if degree of each term is same. Okay, so that means uh, degree of each term is same. Homo means what? Homo means same, equal. Okay, so if degree of each term is same, we can declare it as a homogeneous function. Okay, so let us see one example. See, I am giving one example here. F of xy is x square y plus 2x cube minus 5y cube. So let us check it is homogeneous or not. What is degree of this term? Power of x is 2, power of y is 1. So the total power is 3, right? What is the degree of this term? Easily we can say its degree is 3. What is degree of this term? Its power is 3. That means each term has a degree 3. So that's why you can call it as a homogeneous equation. Okay. So see, let us see one more example. So now we will write one equation or one function where degree of each term is 4. Okay, 4. So that means first I will take x raised to 4. Okay, or after that I can write 3x square y square minus 6xy cube. Okay, this can be an example of homogeneous function. Its degree 4, combined power is 4, combined power is 1, power is 3, 1 plus 3 4. So that this is again a homogeneous function. Okay, so this is actually these are examples of homogeneous function. So now let us see what is homogeneous differential equation. See, an equation of the form dy by dx is equal to f1 of xy upon f2 of xy, where f1 and f2 are homogeneous functions of same degree. Then it is said to be homogeneous differential equation. Then it is said to be homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so let us see one example. Okay, dy by dx is equal to x cube plus 2xy square divided by 3x square y minus y cube. So now let us see. What is power of x? 3. Combined power of combined degree you can say of this term is 1 plus 2 3. That means this is homogeneous equation, homogeneous, or you can say function of degree 3. What about denominator? Its combined power is 3, power is 3. So this is also homogeneous function of degree 3. That means f1 and f2 both of them are homogeneous functions of degree 3. So you can declare it as a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so let us see how to solve such problems. See, to solve homogeneous differential equation, we always put y is equal to vx. Okay, and by putting this, we convert this problem into variable separable type. And already we have seen how to solve problem of variable separable type, right? So let us solve one example, okay, using this technique. Okay, so let us see one example. Okay, so this is one example. This example we have to solve using our method. So you know well what I do first. First of all, I will rewrite this problem. Okay, I will write the problem first. After that, I have to express it in a standard form. I will show you again, what is its standard form. Already we have seen on the last page. This is its standard form. We want dy by dx on one side and the remaining terms we have to shift on another side. So let us do that. Okay, what I told you, we want dy by dx on one side and we have to shift this remaining part on that side. So let us do. So therefore dy by dx is equal to x square y upon x cube plus y cube. So let us check this is homogeneous differential equation or not. What is its power? 2. What is its power? 1. So combined power is 3, right? What about denominator? Power is 3, power is 3. So this is also homogeneous function of degree 3. So numerator and denominator, both of them are homogeneous functions of degree 3. So you can declare it as a homogeneous differential equation. I have already told you the technique. What we do to solve homogeneous differential equation, we simply put, I will show you here. We have, this is a technique. y is equal to vx we have to put. So I'm putting y is equal to vx. Okay, so when you put anything, okay, when you solve a differential equation and if you put anything, our first task is to take its derivative. So let us take its derivative. Okay, I will call it as equation number 1 for reference. See, let us take its derivative. What is derivative of y? dy by dx. So here we have a two functions. So when you take derivative, we have to apply u into v formula. Do you know u into v formula? First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. Okay, so let us apply the formula. V into derivative of x plus x into derivative of v. Okay, so let us solve it further. V, what is derivative of x? 1, we know that, so this is 1. I will skip this step. So x dv by dx. So this is value of dy by dx. We are getting now. So what we have to put, dy by dx is equal to this one, and we have to put y is equal to vx in equation number 1. So I will write, then equation 1 becomes, will you tell me what I supposed to write? Equation 1 becomes, see, dy by dx, what is its value? This value I will put. So therefore v plus x dv by dx, this is value of dy by dx, is equal to x square, right? What is value of y? Value of y is vx. So this value of y I am putting here. So this is into vx divided by x cube plus what is value of y? Value of y is vx. So y cube, that means x cube v cube, right? So let us solve it further. See here, x into x square, we will have x cube v. And what about denominator? Easily we can take x cube common in denominator. So we will have, by taking x cube common, 1 plus v cube. Tell me, can I cancel x cube? Yeah, definitely I can cancel x cube. So therefore v upon 1 plus v cube. Okay, so what is left hand side? I need to copy the left hand side here. Okay, so now our task is to convert this problem into variable separable type, and we have to solve this one. You are already expert in variable separable types. In previous 2 lectures we have seen problems on that. Can you tell me what we have to do? Variable separable. Okay, first of all, what will I do? I will shift v on this side. Okay, I'm going to shift v on this side. So there it had a plus sign. So if you shift it here, it will have minus sign. Okay, after that what will I do? I will simplify this one. I will cross multiply. So let us say what will you get after cross multiplying? V. 1 into v. Okay, minus v. Okay, v into 1 plus, step by step I will write. V into this denominator into v divided by denominator. Okay, let us solve it further. This is equal to v minus v into 1, v minus plus minus v into v cube, v raised to 4 divided by 1 plus v cube. So what will happen? This v plus v and minus v will get cancelled to each other. So this is minus v raised to 4 divided by 1 plus v cube. And we have to copy this one here, right? So therefore we get this one. So now we have to convert into variable separable. So what will I do? I will shift dx on that side first. Okay, so I am shifting dx on that side. So here is in denominator. When you shift it to the here, it will be in numerator. Okay, after shifting dx on that side, we have got this one. So say dv is here. Obviously, we have to shift all terms on this side. Okay, and dx is there. So I will shift x on that side. So what will I get? So therefore, I am shifting this term this side. So 1 plus v cube dv. I am shifting v raised to 4 on that side. So it will be in denominator, right? It will since it is in numerator here. So this is equal to minus dx. I am shifting x on that side. So x will be in denominator. So tell me, have we got variable separable form? Yes, obviously all terms of v we have got on one side and all terms of x we have got on another side. So let us integrate both sides. So if you integrate both sides, what will I get? Integration. I am taking integration of left hand side. Similarly, we will integrate right hand side. Plus constant of integration c. To integrate this one, what will I do? I will divide separately. So therefore, 1 upon v raised to 4, okay, plus v cube upon v raised to 4 dv minus, do you know the integration of 1 by x? Integration of 1 by x is log x, so it's log x plus c. So let us see what will happen if you divide separately. This will be same, okay, plus if you divide v cube will get cancelled and we will have 1 by v dv. So this is same, okay. Now I will integrate separately. So in the right hand side I am just doing copy paste. Okay, so let us see how to solve this one. Actually I will shift it to the numerator. Here is v raised to 4 in denominator. Na? If you shift it to the numerator, v raised to minus 4 dv. What is integration of 1 by v? Obviously it is log v. Here I will do simply copy paste. Okay, so what is integration of this one, do you know? See, this formula I am going to apply here. Integration of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay, this is the formula we have. Let us apply this formula. What is value of n here? Value of n is minus 4, right? So v raised to minus 4 plus 1, that means minus 3, divided by minus 4 plus 1, minus 3 we will have, plus log v. What will I do? I will shift this minus log x on this side, so it will be plus log x is equal to c, right? So let us solve it further. So see, what will I do? Minus 1 by 3, v has a negative power, so I will shift it to the numerator, v cube plus, you know the property of log a plus log b, log a into b we get, right? So therefore log, I will take a product, vx is equal to c. So let us resubstitute value of v. What is the value of v? I will write here what we have put it, y is equal to vx right now. So what is value of v? V is equal to y by x. I am putting here v is equal to y by x. So here we will have y cube upon x cube. Y cube upon x cube. Here also log v is y by x into this x is equal to c. See, this x cube is in denominator of denominator. We can shift it to the numerator. See, x cube upon 3y cube. Plus what will happen? X will get cancelled. Log y is equal to c. So this is required answer, or you can shift it here, or you can, some modifications can be possible, but this is enough. This is also you can consider as a answer of given problem. Okay, thank you.